In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset Zoho Vault Master Password. First, open Zoho Vault. You can do this in any modern web browser by navigating to the official Zoho Vault site or launching the app if you have it installed. From there, go to the login page. This is where you usually sign in. On the login page, type the email address associated with your Zoho Vault account into the email field. Then, instead of entering a password, click the Forgot Password option. This tells Zoho that you need a secure reset and starts the guided recovery flow. Next, verify your identity. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. In most cases, you'll see a quick human verification, such as a CAPTCHA. Take your time here, complete it exactly as shown. And if the characters are hard to read, refresh the challenge until it's clear. This step helps ensure that only a legitimate user can proceed. After that, Zoho will send a password reset link to your registered email address. Keep your browser tab open and head to your inbox. If you don't see the message within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder. And consider searching for the phrase Zoho Vault Password Reset. For your security, reset links often expire. So open the most recent email and use it promptly. Only click the link from a device and network you trust, and don't forward this message to anyone. Click the reset link in the email to open the secure password reset page. Here, you'll create your new master password. Choose something strong and memorable. A long passphrase, several unrelated words combined with numbers or symbols works well and is easier to recall than a random string. Avoid reusing any password from another site. Don't include personal details and make sure it's unique to Zoho Vault. Enter the new password, confirm it carefully to avoid typos, and submit. If the page suggests password strength improvements, take a moment to refine it until it's robust. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.